I'm taking video. It's a video. Cameron.
This way. I'm going to eat the Mickey Waffle. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the park with Jordan and Cameron, cause they are the Zebra Brothers.
It's time for another Theme Park Brothers Sunday Brunch. Try to get through that door. Can you get through that gate?
Yeah. Yeah.
Up. We just did. It's crazy how easy that was. You have freckles.
I know.
Daddy had freckles.
Those are probably pimples.
No, they're freckles. Now you have that on all day.
It's itchy.
You're welcome. I hope she has her phone.
Yeah, she does. Sorry about
Be positive. I want to go out in those boats. Me and you need to go out in one of those one day.
Hey, you know what? We should
I don't know if it has a weight limit, but we'd probably be past
do.
it.
You know what? Hey, look.
I didn't know they had that.
And that's the addition that they just added.
Well, that's neat. It has a little water slide and everything.
That's nice.
Well. Oh, look here. This would be a nice place to sit in the morning. Shade. She's still not texted back? Did you call her? Because if they're sitting there waiting for us, they're going to be mad. Huh, I never knew that's where this was. Great. Is it in the book bag? If Mommy and Cameron didn't get that they were supposed to meet us here, then yeah, we may not be getting breakfast. For your phone.
Get this face.
You want to go eat?
Yeah, I'll go eat Mickey Waffle.
Well, we better hurry if we're doing that.
I'm going to eat.
Yep.
When you eat Mickey Waffle.
we don't give them waffles, then they
All
turn out pretty
right,
bad.
Jordan.
I know what I want.
What do you want?
Bounty platter.
Mickey Waffles.
Mickey Waffles.
I know like that. That's disgusting.
Their bounty platter comes with all this stuff. And what did you get?
Kids Mickey Waffles and apparently double sausage because they're not disgusting.
I don't like chocolate.
All right, now it's time to chow down and eat.
Wrong restaurant.
I got that.
Hey, Cameron.
How do you do it? No. She's saying.
You can also sit out here on the patio, which we do during the
What?
winter months.
There it is.
Me and Jordan are gonna do the little boats one of these days if we pass the weight limit.
The sea racer things? You have to be 12 years old and 5 feet tall.
To operate.
I think you have a couple more inches to grow. Possibly. Are you there? I'm 5'1".
Are you really what?
That's right.
See, $32 for 30 minutes.
Here's the pirate. 4 years to 12 years. 2-hour trip.
We're gonna ride on the boat.
Yeah.
The castle's behind me.
Yeah.
Nah. Is it really?
Wow, I'm floating. I'm floating. Underwater. 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 That's underwater. That's underwater.
What's that?
Big Lake Tower.
What?
I need to reward them. Here's Irish.
Hey guys. Now you're in the right place. Look, they have these cups everywhere now. There's the contemporary. This one doesn't have a straw though.
Yep, they have resorts.
I like it.
Look at that. Oh, that's not. Hold on. That's not
It's
the
on
one.
the other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a Mario cup.
There's
Yeah.
a monorail cup.
Breakfast. Have this.
Hey, look, they're recording stuff.
Yep. Say hi.
Looks like cabana. Reminds me of cabana.
How much is it?
Oh my gosh! For a purse?
This is the one I really want. These here. This one will do, this little one. How much is the little one, Jordan? $198! Dropped on the fabric.
Howdy.
Come on, I can make them.
Can you say howdy, howdy, howdy?
No.
There's a snake in my boots.
No.
You look cute.
Like that.
Yep.
There's Woody on it.
I know.
Can you put back?
Yeah.
This used to be a ticket booth where you claim your tickets and they give you prizes. It must have been too much work for them because they got rid of it. The big difference from Contemporary's arcade and the Grand Floridian arcade. Yeah, Contemporary's. Just look at it.
Not a video. That's not a video. That's a picture. There's a picture of mine.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Bye bye.